Changing your password on LinkedIn is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your web browser or LinkedIn app and log into your LinkedIn account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or the Me icon at the top of the home page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Navigate to the Password section. In the Settings and Privacy menu, look for the Account tab. Under this section, find and click on Change Password. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password, followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets LinkedIn security requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the necessary information, click the Save button to apply the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your LinkedIn password and enhance your account's security. Remember to choose a strong password and update it regularly.